Hello everyone and welcome to a very short video about how to add programs to your Windows startup queue. And what I mean by that is basically whenever you start your computer up after it's been completely turned off and your computer's booting back up, it'll start certain programs that you specify up. So if you wanted your internet to come up, or maybe Steam or Skype or games that you have or whatever that you wanted to start updating or something like that, you could have various programs launch upon your computer startup. So it's very easy to do this. All you really need to do is go to your Start menu, and if you go to All Programs, or you could search down here, and you go to S, you'll see a folder that's called Startup. And if you click on it, you can see all the programs that are currently being started up upon your computer, upon your computer's logon. And if you right click on this and go to open, it'll bring up the folder, and the folder's kind of difficult to get with in the normal Windows Explorer file exploring, so you usually want to use the Start menu to access this. But here you'll need to actually open this up to this point to drag stuff into it. So all you need to do is just drag a shortcut to the thing that you want to launch. Now, I don't think you could actually launch Steam games this way, because usually the links to Steam games, the links to Steam games are a little bit different because they're not shortcuts to like FilePass. They're more shortcuts to to the internet, which it then launches through Steam. So though Steam games may or may not work, but I know just regular shortcuts for pretty much every kind of program will work. Just do note that if you start adding a bunch of programs, like Premiere Pro, maybe like the internet, Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox or something like that. Various, like if you have like Unreal Engine stuff, any kind of like large program. If you have several of those being started up, it will cause your computer to take longer to be ready to use. Usually with factory new computers, it only takes like a couple minutes for your computer to fully start up and start being ready to be used. But if you have all these extra programs, it will take longer for that to occur. So just keep that in mind. But that's about it for this tutorial. I know it's going to be really short compared to most of mine, which are about half an hour. But at any rate, that's all I got to say. Thanks for watching.